it just another minute for everybody to get in here. All right, I'll go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Separate these a little bit. All right, so we got Kobe White, Gallinari, Allen Iverson, Troy Brown, Lou Williams, Anthony Davis, got silver Aaron Baines, green Cam Reddish, sophomore stars Tyler Hero, Theo Maledon, James Johnson, and DeMar Carroll. Gary Harris, Josh Richardson, and Tyrell Terry. Tim Duncan, Klay Thompson, Joe Harris, Josh Okogie, Frank Ntilikina, Mitchell Robinson, silver Jaren Jackson, got a green rookie Desmond Bane, instant impact James Wiseman, Tyler Hero, Cassius Winston, and Bryn Forbes. Sekou, Goran Dragic, and Ricky Rubio. Robert Williams, Frank Kaminsky, Eric Bledsoe, Joel Embiid, Mike Conley, Otto Porter, silver Kevin Looney, green Carmelo Anthony, got a silver dominant Zion, Wendell Carter, there we go, Obi Toppin, and Avery Bradley. One sec, let somebody in the group here real quick. All right. J.J. Barea, Marcus Aldridge, and Saban Lee. Dorian Finney-Smith, Tyus Jones, crazy glare, Malcolm Brogdon, Malik Beasley, Korkmaz, J.J. Redick, a silver Steven Adams, a green rookie C.J. Ellaby, Anthony Davis, Team USA, Rui, Shaq, and Kenyon Martin. Terry Rozier, Jay Crowder, and Rodney Hood. Really sticking together this pack. All right, so we got Tristan Thompson, Gordon Hayward, DeAndre Ayton, Tony Snell, Max Kleber. Set those down a sec. There we go, they're separated. Max Kleber, Jared Allen, silver rookie Poku, green Lugans Dort, dominance John Morant, OG Anunoby, Zach LaVine, and Trey Jones. I hope so. A lot of mid-tier guys so far. Poku silver is not too bad. We can do better though. Jeff Green, Valanciunas, and Jake Layman. Porzingis, Drew Holiday. There we go. Got a Luka base. Norman Powell, John Morant base. Marvin Bagley, silver DeAndre Bembry, green Zubac, emergent Malachi Flynn, Jarrett Culver, Grant Riller, and Nick Richards. 2 Hornets, not the one you want. Paul Millsap. Yes. I do baseball, basketball, and football. A lot of football, some basketball when I have it, and a lot of Bowman baseball. Paul Millsap, Shake Milton, and Malachi Flynn. Actually doing a Donruss soccer one tomorrow night. Only done a couple soccer breaks. Can't pronounce any of the damn names, but I worked through it. It's not too bad. But Donruss soccer, you can get kabooms in it. So hopefully there's some pretty good interest in it. Malik Monk, Bogdanovich. Yeah, that was nice. Brooke Lopez. And what's funny to me about it is I was talking about pulling reds out of blasters, like just before it. Then that shows up. Kyrie, Zubac, Carmelo Anthony, got silver Satoransky, green Skylar Mays, dominance Bradley Beal, Ricky Rubio, Terrell Terry, and Christian Wood. Yeah, this year alone, I've gotten 3 or 4 reds, including the Wanderer last night, and they've all been pretty valuable. I mean, obviously a card out of 5. Let me let somebody in the group here real quick. Card out of 5 is gonna have some value anyway, but all the ones I've pulled this year have been pretty good. Tim Duncan, Shea, and Josh Green. This box needs to get a little hotter. I have had a couple crazy boxes out of these cellos. Saw this on the back, so I'm just gonna pull it. So I'm not touching it too much, but we got Carmelo, Jeff Teague, Montrezl Harrell, Dellavedova, Karl Anthony Towns, Austin Rivers, Ben Simmons, got a silver CJ McCollum, green Rudy Gay, green Team USA Clyde Drexler, Jimmy S. Ramsey, and Bobby Portis. Devontae Graham, Shabazz Napier, and Christian Wood. Sekou, Gary Harris, Devontae Graham, Sederansky, Patrick Beverly, Terrence Davis, a silver rookie, Daniel Aturu, a green Cameron Johnson, emergent Zeke Naji, got a base Aturu, CJ McCollum, and Nico Mannion. Somebody else in the group here real quick. Paul George, T. Steibel, and Peyton Pritchard. Jackson Hayes, Davis Caldwell Pope, Victor Oladipo, Steven Adams, Wesley Matthews, Jaren Jackson, silver Nurkic, green James Harden, dominance Paul George, Mark Gasol, Poku, and Andre Drummond. John Wall, Marquise Chris, and Xavier Tillman. Cameron Johnson, Rudy Gay, Blake Griffin, got a Zion base, Jeremy Grant, Chris Dunn, silver Wesley Matthews, green Miles Turner, emergent Jalen Smith, Harry Giles, Denny Avdija, and Russell Westbrook. Davis Bertans, Penny Hardaway, and Kevin Love. All right, last pack. Got the one LaMelo, so hope we can get some other good stuff in this last pack. So we got Aaron Holiday, Lugans Dort, Royce O'Neal, Jokic, Mo Bamba, Dennis Schroeder, a silver Andre Drummond, green Royce O'Neal, Instant Impact Isaiah Stewart, Precious Achua, Devin Vassell, and Caleb Martin. All right. Landry Shamet, Karis LeVert, and Magic Johnson. All right, so I'll do a quick recap here. These are all the rookies, and then any superstars we might have had. So we got Precious Achua, Devin Vassell, Zion, Daniel Dija, Xavier Tillman, red, white, and blue, Poku, Peyton Pritchard, red, white, and blue, silver Daniel Laturu, Laturu base, Nico Mannion, Jameis Ramsey, Josh Green, red, white, and blue, Skylar Mays green, Tyrell Terry, Malachi Flynn, Luka, John Morant, Grant Riller, Nick Richards, Poku Silver, Dominance Ja, Trey Jones, green CJ Ellaby, Kenyon Martin, Saban Lee, red, white, and blue, silver Dominant Zion, Obi Toppin, green Desmond Bain, James Wiseman, Instant Impact, Cassius Winston, Theo Maladon, Tyrell Terry, red, white, and blue, and LaMelo. So, not the greatest box, not the worst box. So, I don't have any of these tomorrow. Might do something Thursday. Actually, I think I do have one Thursday. Hopefully you guys can join in on that. But appreciate everybody. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your night.